Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the crutches sized correctly. This prevents pain and instability. Stand tall, measure cuff to sit about 1 to 1.5 inches below your elbow, and lock that setting. Next, set the hand grip so your wrist is slightly bent when you bear weight. This keeps shoulder tension low. Once done, put on a supportive shoe and clear the walking area. That reduces trips and lets you begin safe use immediately. Start walking by moving both crutches forward roughly 12 to 18 inches. This creates a stable base. Then, while leaning on the hand grips, bring the injured leg forward only as far as just beyond the tips of the crutches. This reduces shearing and pain. Next, push through your hands to transfer weight to your arms and move your good leg forward past the crutches. Make sure to keep shoulders relaxed and your core engaged. Use stairs carefully. When going up, step up with the good leg first, then bring crutches and injured leg up. When going down, place crutches down first, then step down with the injured leg and follow with the good leg. Rest at regular intervals and recheck cuff and grip tightness after 1 to 2 hours. That prevents shifting. If you encounter slipping or instability, dry the tips, replace worn rubber, and tweak cuff height slightly. Those quick fixes solve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.